Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at some desk fans by Warmco. This is the model D4. So let's take a look. So the desk fans comes in two colors. It comes in black and it also comes in white. Inside, you get the USB-C charging cable and you also get the user manual. Briefly going over some specs, this features a battery capacity of 20,000 milliamp hours. And again, it comes in two colors, black and white, and this is model D4. Working time is about 48 hours max, charging time 10 hours. Input is 5 volt, 2 amps, output is 5 volt, 2 amps, and it weighs in at 665 grams. And you can also charge your devices, so it has a charge out feature and you can take advantage of the 20,000 milliamp hour battery. So taking a look at the fan, you can see it's very thin, the design, and compact. The front, you have a light here, and then you have the branding on the bottom, and then you have a display here, your LED display. You have the light button and the power button to adjust the fan speed settings. And there's four modes for the fan. And then looking at the back, you have the stand here, so you can just sit it on the desk like so, and then adjust the angle to your desired liking. And then the bottom of the stand, you have a hook. So if you want to hang it, this is perfect. You know, if you want to use it outdoors or for camping, you can utilize this hook and hang it. The left side, you have the USB-C charge port. So the white version, again, it's pretty much the same layout. Only difference is the color. You got the branding, the controls on the bottom. You have the light on the top. Then you have the stand in the back along with the hook. And then your USB-C charge port. Okay, so taking a look at the controls, if you press the power button once, that's going to bring up speed setting 1. So it has 1, and then the battery level showing 95%. So you press it again, that's going to bring it to speed level 2, 3, and 4. So very quiet on speed 4. And the airflow is really good. Now looking at the light, there's low, medium, and high. So pressing the light button once, that's low, medium, and high. Now you have the fan and the light on, and I'll just put it on the table and let it stand like so. So again, you can also use the USB-C port to charge your devices and utilize that 20,000 milliamp hour battery. Again, that's perfect for your phone. And turning on the white one here, speed setting 2, so now you can see both of them. And then if you want to hang it, perfect for the outdoors as well. So very quiet on speed setting 4, and there's a lot of airflow. All right, so now let's just measure the noise level. I have a decibel meter here, so I'm just going to put it on low. So right now we're about 49 decibels. Now I'm going to put the speed 2. About 50 decibels. Number 3. 53 decibels. And number 4, about 55 decibels. Okay, so now let's measure the wind speed. So on level 1, this is on feet per second, so it's doing about 11.2 feet per second. Level 2, we're about 12 feet per second. Level 3, 14 feet per second, and level 4. So 15.5 feet per second, actually 15.9, almost 16 feet per second on the highest level. Okay, so that's a look at the Warmco D4 desk fan. Again, very versatile and doesn't take up that much space. It has 4 speeds, good airflow. You have the light on the top, and it can be used indoors or outdoors. So if you're looking for a portable desk fan, check out the Warmco D4 fan.